did. See how you are.
Yep. Algebra 2, Chapter 6, Practice Test Solutions. This is 23 through maybe 26, I think we'll do. Okay, for this, the graph of y equals 4 times square root of x minus 1 minus 5. We're going to do the parent graph, and then we're just going to shift it.
That's pretty shifty.
So the parent graph is y equals 4 times the square root of x. And the shift, remember inside lies, so it's plus 1 on the x and minus 5 on the y. So since it's a square root function, we're just going to go with perfect squares to make my life easier. Oh, and your life, of course. So 4, 1, 0. Ooh, no negatives because it's square root. Square root of 4 is 2 times 4 is 8. Square root of 1 is 1 times 4 is 4. Square root of 0 is 0 times 4 is 0. Okay, so we'll graph the parent function and then we just need to shift it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0, 0 is here. 1, 4. And 4, 8. 3, 4. Well, it's way up there. Alright, we won't have a turn like that. It's kind of a swoosh. Now, the shift is plus 1 in the x direction and minus 5 in the y. So over 1 and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our new start point is here. Over 1 and down 5. Over 1 and down 5. Be right about there. Okay. So the green graph is the graph of this function. Alright, now the domain. Those are the x values. So x is greater than or equal to, well, let's shift over 1, greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Alright, for number 25, we'll do the same thing. Parent graph is going to be f of x equals negative 2 times cube root of x. And the shift, let's figure that out right away. Inside lies, so instead of minus 5, it'll be plus 5, and on the y, it'll be plus 3. So since this is a cube root, we're going to use perfect cubes. So let's go with 8, 1, 0, negative 1, and negative 8. And we'll just put these into the parent function. So cube root of 8 is 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Cube root of 1 is 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. For 0, we're going to get 0. Cube root of negative 1 is negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. Cube root of negative 8 is negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the y's, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Call that negative 4. Okay, the points. 0, 0, 1, negative 2, and 8, negative 4, 1. Okay. Alright, negative 1, 2, and negative 8, 4. Okay, so I'm going to graph this. That's what the parent graph looks like. Now I need to shift it. Plus 5 in the x direction and plus 3 in the y. So each point over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the center. Then over 5. Up 3. Right about here. Over 5. Up 3. Okay. That's good enough to tell where it's going to look like. Where it'll be. And then just sketch the graph. So this time it's the purple. That's the final graph. Alright, and cube root functions. The domain for those, x can equal any real number. So all real numbers. Alright, I'll do one more video for the last 4 problems.